What if you're engaging in health economics and outcomes research, and questions arise where information is needed quickly, but real-world evidence is sparse or unavailable? Or you need to validate assumptions in an early economic model? Or you need to develop and codify diagnostic, treatment, and monitoring guidelines for a given condition? How do you move forward if there's no consensus in clinical and HEOR communities? Delphi Panel research may be just what you need. This methodology can provide actionable insights without the lengthy timeline of some traditional study methodologies. My colleagues from RTI Health Solutions will be teaching a short course called the Delphi Panel, From Discord to Actionable Insights in HEOR, at ISPOR on Sunday, May 7th at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. There's a separate registration for this, so if you're interested in learning more, reserve your seat today.